presentation. My name is CEC, and today we will talk about the migration of storks. When they fly away, they need energy. So firstly, we will talk about their food. Next is where do they live, and where do they migrate? Why do they migrate, and what dangers they meet while traveling for long distance. And storks usually eat foods that are smaller than them. For example, insects, frogs, fish. And before migrate, they live in Africa, Europe, and Asia. When August comes, they move from Europe to Africa, North Asia to South Asia.
There are some reasons of the migration of stork. And the first is the food needs are technically reasonable, but they can't find food, insects in the winter. And they need food through the winter. And this is the way they're migrating. They fly in group from north to the south, and they often fly about 200 kilometers. And on their routes, sometimes they met some problems, like they have collisions with overhead power lines, and they make illegal shooting along the routes.
Some interesting facts of storks that they extinct in Britain due to loss of habitat and hunting. And storks have big body, long neck, and so is their legs. The legs are long, belong to the cyclonic forms.
And the biggest stork in the world is 1.5 meter tall and 2.6 meter large. But the smallest stork in the world is just 56 centimeters length and 470 grams weight. But with the good conditions, the storks can travel to 500 kilometers a day. And question?
Where do they migrate to?
Why do they migrate?
Where do they migrate to?
They migrate from Europe to Africa, and sometimes the North Asia to South Asia to get the warmer weather. And a question else?
How fast do they fly?
They can fly up to 500 kilometers a day. Any questions? So thank you for listening to our presentation. Goodbye.